fighter, came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand together. Put our hands together. We are one. Came to fight us. Came to fight us. Let them come and try us. We gon' stand.
Oh, hello there, my lovely stallions. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. So today's video is a tag. I'm gonna do the invade my privacy tag. I saw Shirley B Anyang do it. I think that's how you pronounce her last name. And another YouTuber, I forget her name. Oh my gosh. I just stumbled upon her page. And yeah, so yeah, I decided that I wanted to do this video. So yeah, let's get to the video. Alright, question number 1. Did you wake up cranky? No, I didn't. I woke up tired, but not cranky. I had an audition today actually, which I'm really hoping will go well. So maybe that's why I didn't wake up cranky. Yeah, I didn't wake up cranky though. Would you date an 18-year-old at your current age? No, I wouldn't. That's too young for me. Do you prefer to be friends with girls or boys? Generally, I become friends with girls, but I'm trying to like balance it out because I realized that I have my closest circle is obviously girls, but I'm trying to like, you know, get more guy friends, so I'm just trying to like balance it out. So I really don't mind, but girls over boys, I don't really have a preference. Yeah, I don't really have a preference, to be honest. Would you ever smile at a stranger? Of course, like I smile at strangers all the time. Not in a weird way, but like just, you know, it's polite. It's a polite thing to do. Can you commit to one person? Yeah, definitely. How do you look right now? I'm not sure what this question means, but I look okay, I guess? I'm not sure what that question means. What exactly are you wearing right now? I'm wearing a tank top. What color is this? It's a salmon pink. Yeah. And I'm wearing jeans. Yeah, and that's it. How often do you listen to music? I used to listen to music quite a lot, but nowadays I really don't. I don't know why. I don't listen to music that much. Do you wear jeans or sweats more? Jeans. Jeans are easier to kind of style, and they're versatile, so I wear jeans more than sweats. Although I wouldn't mind being able to wear sweats all the time, but jeans just work for any occasion, really. Do you think your life will change dramatically before 2020? Yeah, I really do think that it will change. My life has changed a lot in the last couple of years, so of course it's gonna change. Like it's 2017, like 4 years. Oh yeah, it's definitely gonna change dramatically. Are you an introvert or an extrovert? I would say I'm an introvert because I like my own space, but I also like interacting with people in a sense. Generally, I am the kind of person that you'll find sitting by herself, not because I'm like, you know, lonely or anything, but just because I'm just sitting by myself and I just want to sit by myself. But if someone was to come up to me and, you know, try to start a conversation, and like, you know, they're really cool people or something like that, cool, like, great, let's talk. So yeah, I'm generally an introvert, but I still like people and I still like to be around people, but I also like my own space. So yeah, it's weird. I don't know how to really classify myself. If the person you like says they like someone else, what would you say? What is there to say, really? You can't force someone to like you if they really don't, so there really isn't much I can say. Are you good at hiding your feelings? I'd like to believe I am. Sometimes I can't really control my facial expressions. So yeah, I can't say I'm that good at hiding my feelings when I'm upset. But yeah, I try not to hide my feelings too much. But yeah, if I'm upset, I'm upset. And you will know. You will notice. Can you drive a stick shift? No, I can't drive yet. Do you care if people talk badly about you? I'm not gonna lie, yes I do care. It does bother me. But I try not to let it get to me too much. there's nobody who can say that when someone says something bad about them, they don't feel some type of way. You might not react to it, but you do feel some type of way. In terms of do I care, I can't say I really care, because at the end of the day, everyone has the right to an opinion. Everyone is allowed to feel the way they feel. You can't have, not everyone's gonna like you. But if someone is spreading rumors about me and they're talking just nonsense about me, of course it's gonna rub me the wrong way. And I'm gonna probably react and I'm gonna care, because you're tarnishing my reputation and you're talking about me and spreading lies about me and you're just saying really crazy things. So yeah, it is gonna bother me. That's when I really care, because I'm like, no. You don't talk about me and say crazy things about me, things that could potentially ruin my reputation, things that could possibly affect my career or affect my school life, my academic life, my professional life, my relationships. You know, if it's gonna affect all of that, then that's when I'm gonna care. But generally, when people talk about me, I don't care. When they talk badly about me and it's gonna affect my entire life or my reputation, things like that, yeah, then we have a problem. Are you going out of town soon? No, but it would be fun to take like a road trip. That would be fun. When was the last time you cried? Very recently, because I was feeling super overwhelmed and I literally just didn't know what to do. So yeah, like very recently, probably last week, I think. Yeah. Have you ever liked someone you didn't expect to? Yes, and by this I mean not romantically, but just generally. You know how sometimes in life you can be like, oh yeah, I would definitely not get along with someone who's like this and that and da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da, and all these different character traits that you really don't like. But then you meet someone who has some of those characteristics and some of those traits and you're like, oh my gosh, like this person is actually not that bad. Yeah, I actually had a friend who was like, oh my gosh, like literally I did not like this guy at all, like at all. I felt like he was the most very judgmental and just very, I just didn't feel like we were gonna gel. And there was a time like in the beginning when I didn't know him and I didn't like talk to him, and I was just like, ugh, I cannot stand this person. But then there came a time where we spoke. I forget what that situation was about. And I actually heard him speak, and I actually heard him I saw a different side to him, and it kind of overshadowed that negative vibe that I got from him. And like we became really, really close friends. So sometimes I feel like that is where, you know what is like first impressions count? Yeah, my first impression was negative of that person, and I wasn't willing to give him a chance. But then I finally gave him a chance, and I realized that, you know, he actually wasn't that bad. So, moral of the story, give people a chance before you judge them. If you could change your eye color, would you, and what color would they be? I wouldn't. So many people have said my eyes, like they like my eyes, and I like my eyes too, so no, I definitely wouldn't change my eye color. Name something you have to do tomorrow. I have to go to church tomorrow. What do I have to do? I also have to sort out my week and just plan things out for that week. It's kind of a routine. Sunday I go to church, spend the day at church, and then come back and now regroup and plan out my week. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you like this little fun side to StallionBlogs. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below as well, and try out this tag. And if you do comment with the link to your video and I'll go check it out. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to click that subscribe button and join this amazing Stallion Nation. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace! Alright, so that's the end of the video. Oh my gosh. These are dogs. Are they done? No. No, they're still going. They're still going.